Hi, it's Justin. I just thought I'd record a quick video. I've had a delivery from Amazon. For my book, 10 Ideas to Save 10% in 10 Minutes, I took a high-risk strategy. I've used a concept from Lean Startup, which is an innovation principle, to get the book developed as quickly as possible. So I didn't actually print a physical book before it went live, so I've actually ordered the full-price book from Amazon to see what actually comes. So it's this is the moment, so I'll open it up and we can have a look and see what it's like and whether it's worked. There it is, physical book, fantastic. It's a short book. I can see straight away there is actually a problem with it. There's a black line at the very top, which is a little bit frustrating. I seem to be missing the words on the spine as well, but that's okay. It looks good on the back. The barcodes come out all right. Nice description. The picture looks good. And what I'll obviously do is have a bit of a look through to make sure the typesetting has come out okay. It looks pretty good though. Did all of this stuff myself, designed the cover myself, did the cover, uploaded it. I've obviously written it myself, typeset it all myself as well. Currently doing audiobook and producing all of that. There are so many skills required in creating a book. So anyway, I'm really pleased to share and show you the book and the first time holding it. It's an amazing feeling writing a book and holding that book in your hands, and I definitely wrote that book. So thanks for buying it, and if you're looking for a copy of it, you'll find it on Amazon. It's 10 Ideas to Save 10% in 10 Minutes. Thanks very much. Bye.